Edenton's story is the tale of North Carolina's beginning. Here, 3 centuries ago, North Carolina's first colonial capital emerged. Signers of the Declaration of Independence and U.S. Constitution lived and worked alongside one of our nation's first Supreme Court justices. Historic figures like Penelope Barker and Harriet Jacobs led the way for underrepresented people. Barker organized the Edenton Tea Party, the first female political activity in the colonies, while Jacobs escaped to Baltimore via the Maritime Underground Railroad and wrote a famous book of her daring journey. Today, along beautifully preserved streets, amidst centuries-old cypress trees, the Edenton Trolley Tour shares the town's story. Walking routes trace the steps of historic figures from many walks of life. Visitors enjoy the most intact colonial courthouse in America, which still holds sessions of the North Carolina Supreme Court. They tour the Roanoke River Lighthouse and marvel at the craftsmanship of the historic Cupola House. 300 years of history await in Edenton. Learn more at visitedenton.com.